ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri Rangba Jong ke Jelau Conrad Kongkel Sangma Ulaong baka ain kan sale ala ka Jong ke Kamram ha ka bayadei bat ka jinglet bread ye kitari dap hakmat ka kherdop Jong ka main secretariat da kinong elam Jong ka sur kinong Mawlai ha ka step Jong ka shiphoterik ubenai nailor arajar arpuwei. Kumban syupen kin mau biang hang ni baki nong ilam Jong ka sur kinong Mawlai kila lej bread da kitari hakmat ka kherdop Jong ka main secretariat kum ka dak ban penpau ye ka jing persya halor ka jing bom suspend Jong ka sorkar ye ki pulit halor ka jing keno siat yap ya uba cherry starfield thank you. Haka jing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u Conrad uliet hu baka sorkar kampat la satya ban shim ya kano ka rai hanrei kan abai tat hadu undala dep ka jing toket Jong ka judicial inquiry. Haka jo ka por menteri Rangba ula ai ka jing ro ru ya ki pulit Jong ka West Garo Hills district ki bala trei shitam ban yo kurup ya ki bom IED ya ki bala thmu ban penpthai da ki kenhon runar.
I have no comments to make on that. I said accordingly, whatever provisions are there in the law will take its own course. I stand very clear. I made this statement almost about two days back that the judicial inquiry is on, and until the judicial inquiry is not completed, there's no question of taking any action because it will be unfair. The judicial inquiry will bring out the facts. When the facts come out, then we'll take the decision. So basically, as part of our operations to ensure that we keep a track and control and ensure the people of the state are safe. Many operations and many such searches are going on based on information, intel collected in almost every district. So this is part of that exercise, and I must congratulate the team of West Garo Hills district who has been working very hard to ensure that the security and safety of the people is maintained. So this is part of that exercise, and it was retrieved. The details, of course, all the details, I have not seen the official report yet, but whatever I received on my WhatsApp message early morning that I have.